So an implant-supported denture is a way of taking a patient who's probably pretty frustrated with their denture and anchoring it, making it functional, making it work better. Dentures oftentimes don't fit well. Aesthetically, they don't look that great. They're not very confident. They can't eat the kinds of foods they want to eat. So they're looking for a solution to improve upon this denture that they've worn maybe for 20 years. So implant-supported dentures are a fantastic solution to solve this problem. One solution to a denture that doesn't fit well is what we would call an overdenture. So we can place as few as 2 implants, and now the denture attaches to it. It snaps on it, it anchors it, so you can chew, you can function much better than you could if you were just simply using the paste and the goo that they've been using for years that they're probably pretty frustrated with. This is a predictable way of attaching and anchoring that denture where now they can function, they can smile, they know it's not going to move, they know they can chew better. So it's a rather simple implant solution to a problem that someone might have been suffering with for many years. The other alternative, if we want to get away from the denture altogether, we can start looking at options like all-on-4, where now we can make a restoration that stays in, that lasts, that functions. Now you can chew steak, you can chew apples, you can chew nuts, pretty much back to the closest thing to their natural healthy teeth.